Hello, children. I'm practicing my robot moves. What do you think? You'll soon get to know why. So, hello from Miss Sharon and Frank once again. Today, we're going to learn a new sound. Oi, oi, oi. I love the way you say oi. I've got a picture for you. And here is my robot. This boy wanted this robot really badly. And for his birthday, his parents got him a brand new robot. He loves playing with it. It's a perfect toy to enjoy. Oi, toy to enjoy. Oi, toy to enjoy. Oi, toy to enjoy. I've got some words for you. Please say the sounds after me and then say the words. Oi, toy. Oi, boy. Oi. Enjoy. Enjoy your lesson, children. Toy to enjoy. Oi, toy to enjoy. Are you ready to take a look at what the sound looks like? Oi. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends. Oi. Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. Oi. Watch me. Oi. Oi. Toy to enjoy. Oi. Oi. Hey, it's your turn now. Let's see how fast you can say them. Ready? Are you ready, Frank? 1, 2, 3, off we go. Great job! I'm now going to show you all the sounds that you have learned so far. Try to say them as fast as you can. I know you can do it. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a bit louder. Have fun. Off we go. We really enjoyed listening to you. You know so many sounds now. Well done. And today you have also learned oi. Now go ahead and stay practicing reading and writing of words with oi. And we will see you next time. Take care. Bye.